Hi guys, today I'm going to be planting some Limelight Hydrangeas and I am so excited about these because I absolutely love them. I've always wanted them in my garden and well, since the first time that I saw them anyway. And they're gorgeous. I can't wait to get the big bloom heads on them and all that kind of stuff. So I wanted to just take a minute and share some details with you of these plants before we start getting them planted. Okay, here's some specs about the Limelight Hydrangea. It takes sun to part shade. So a lot of hydrangeas we think of needing a good bit of shade, and these actually do really well in full sun. They grow 6 to 8 feet tall and wide. They get big white blooms. They first come out sort of like a chartreusey type green, then they fade to white, and then in the fall they turn to a pink color. So let me show you that. So over here, this is their summer color, and then this is their fall color. And guys, these blooms get so big. They're so beautiful. So these are going to go between my vegetable garden space and our pool, and I think they're going to just be gorgeous. They're going to be a big screen to kind of give some separation and kind of make it cozy in the garden space and cozy in the pool space and be just a gorgeous backdrop for both settings. So I'm really excited about those. So let's get the camera set up and we'll see how it goes.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you.
Well, here they are, guys. They're all planted in the ground, getting a nice drink, water them in really good. They're looking beautiful. I can't wait for those big flowery blooms. So I spaced these 3.5 feet from center of one plant to the middle, and then 3.5 from the middle to the center of the next plant. Easier way of saying it, it's 7 feet from the center of this plant to the center of this plant. And the reason I did 7 feet is because I want them to form a nice hedge. I want them to meet and come together. And these grow 6 to 8 feet tall and wide. So at the most, they're gonna grow 8 feet. They could grow 6 feet. And so I decided to just split the difference and put them 7 feet apart so that hopefully we'll get a nice thick hedge of beautiful hydrangeas. Well, I hope you guys like this video and we'll see you in the next one.